This coming December is the starting of second semester for school year 2020 to 2021. Let's start with the specialized subject Physics 2 because Physics 1 is already done last August to November, and this is the last week for November. I would like to make this video earlier so that you can review on what is the first topic for General Physics 2. General Physics 2 is the continuation course of General Physics 1 in the senior high school, which leads you to the study of the common branches of physics that are being divided into mechanics, heat, sound, optics, electricity, magnetism, and modern physics. This emphasizes problem solving, including calculus. It covers the essential units and subject matters prescribed by the K-12 DepEd curriculum. And more importantly, it shows how physics interacts with many interdisciplinary areas of research such as biophysics, quantum chemistry, and the boundaries of physics which are not rigidly defined. As an experimental science, its chapter is, or its lesson, is provided with simple activity and experiment to enrich, explore, and experience the science world of learning through experimentation. So the first lesson on this subject is temperature. I guess temperature is also one of the subject matter in chemistry. But here we are talking about the movement or direction of heat, which is simultaneously flow from a hotter body to a cooler one at lower temperature. Once the hot body turns to a cool one, the high temperature turns on to a lower temperature. Temperature is measured using a device called thermometer. Now, are heat and temperature the same? Heat is a form of energy, while temperature is a measurement or how hot, how cold is an object is. Okay? If you have a hot object and a cold object and place them together so that they can touch, they can feel the flow of heat energy, you will notice that there is a release of smoke from the hotter object because there is absorption of heat energy also from the water to the release of heat energy from the hot object. That is exothermic reaction. For example, the heated metal, is submerged in a cold water. There is a tendency that the cold water became a hot water, especially if there are many heated metals soaked in that particular water. And so, this happens until objects are the same. Yes, if the temperature of the water increases because of the absorption of heat energy from the hot object, then they are said to be in thermal equilibrium. When you say equilibrium, that is a state of balance. The heat energy coming from the hot object is transferred to the cold object. And these two objects are now in at thermal equilibrium. Heat is a form of energy and temperature is a measure of which way the heat energy will flow. Okay? Will flow. Will flow. So that the temperature of the hotter object becomes lower temperature. Now, there are really four temperature scales. The common one is Celsius or centigrade, Fahrenheit, Kelvin, and Rankine. So this is the mathematical concepts on how to convert, let's say, Celsius to Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit to Celsius, then Kelvin to Rankine, Rankine to Celsius, and so on. So this is a simple mathematical calculation, and you need calculator. This is a simple substitution because there is formula per scale. Okay? Good luck.